Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today we're diving into the world of rugged luxury and performance with the 2026 Toyota 6x6 Camper Hybrid. A true masterpiece of innovation and engineering, this camper sets new standards for off-road capability and comfort. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and modern living area designed to maximize comfort while staying practical for long journeys. The cabin features premium materials, from durable eco-leather seating to sustainable wood accents. The living room area includes a large smart TV, a premium surround sound system, and wide panoramic windows to connect you with the outdoors. The kitchen is fully equipped with energy-efficient appliances, including an induction cooktop, a compact refrigerator, and even a portable water purification system for off-grid adventures. The sleeping area with a queen-size bed ensures restful nights, while the compact yet stylish bathroom includes a rainfall shower and high-quality fixtures, making life on the move feel effortless. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Toyota 6x6 Camper Hybrid is built for both style and resilience. Its bold, angular design and six-wheel stance give it a commanding presence on any terrain. The hybrid body features reinforced panels and a protective matte finish that resists scratches and harsh weather. A large retractable awning creates a comfortable outdoor living space, while roof-mounted solar panels supply sustainable power wherever you go. The camper rides on heavy-duty off-road alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, and the signature Toyota 6x6 badging adds exclusivity. Built on a specially engineered chassis, this camper offers durability and stability without compromising handling, ensuring it looks just as impressive in the wilderness as it does in the city. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota 6x6 Camper Hybrid is powered by a cutting-edge hybrid drivetrain that blends electric efficiency with rugged power. The setup combines a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with dual electric motors, producing outstanding torque for both highway cruising and challenging off-road trails. The advanced suspension system with adaptive dampers ensures a smooth ride across rocky paths, sand, or snow. Its intelligent 6x6 all-wheel drive system distributes power seamlessly, while multiple terrain modes make it easy to tackle anything from deserts to mountain passes. With regenerative braking and long-range hybrid efficiency, this camper offers both adventure and sustainability. Toyota also includes advanced driver assist features, making long journeys safer and more comfortable. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Toyota 6x6 Camper Hybrid is designed for serious travelers and explorers, and its price reflects its advanced engineering. With a starting price of around $350,000, it's not a budget-friendly option, but it offers exceptional value for those seeking the ultimate combination of durability, technology, and comfort. The price includes bespoke features, advanced off-road performance, and Toyota's legendary reliability, ensuring peace of mind no matter where your journey takes you. This isn't just a camper, it's an investment in limitless adventure. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota 6x6 Camper Hybrid is an extraordinary blend of off-road capability, modern luxury, and hybrid innovation. It offers a level of freedom and comfort that redefines what a motorhome can be. Whether you're planning a cross-country expedition or venturing deep into remote wilderness, the Toyota 6x6 Camper Hybrid delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.